Experiencing call issues with your AirPods Pro 3? Let's troubleshoot. Common problems include microphone failures, ineffective noise reduction, and network connectivity drops. First, determine which issue you're facing. Is your voice muffled? Is there excessive background noise? Or are calls dropping? Recent iOS updates like 18.2 include a call diagnostic tool in Settings. Use this to test your mic, ANC, and Bluetooth. For mic issues, ensure Hey Siri and voice input permissions are enabled under Settings, Privacy, Microphone. Clean your AirPods weekly to prevent earwax buildup. Make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 18 or later. Most software-related issues, about 85%, can be fixed with updates or resets. Now let's fix it. For mic problems, reset your Bluetooth connection or toggle the microphone setting in Control Center. For mic problems, reset your Bluetooth connection or toggle the microphone setting in Control Center. If noise reduction is the issue, activate Adaptive Transparency mode to balance ANC with call clarity. If you sound robotic, turn off ANC during calls. Network drops, switch to Wi-Fi calling or restart your device, especially in areas with weak cellular signals. Resetting your AirPods, press and hold the case button for 15 seconds. Can also resolve many issues. Remember to keep your firmware updated. Persistent mic dropouts may be due to firmware version 7A203. Apple plans a patch in iOS 19 beta. For further help, consult official Apple resources or forums.